Hi, I'm Lorna Kleidman, and one of the most common questions I get about Kettlebell Sport Snatch is what the heck is going on with the foot movement? Now, in general, the way the feet move with Snatch is a response to the way the body is shifting against that single weight. For example, if you have the bell in the overhead arm position fixation, you're ready to bring it down into the next back swing. We want to lean back against the drop. It's hard to do when you're standing on both legs equally. So it's advantageous to shift your body weight to the opposite leg. That helps you get your body weight back in opposition to that weight that's coming down in front of you. And when you lean slightly to this opposite leg, the same side heel tends to lift. You can even use the ball of the foot of the same side to push yourself back on the drop. Then, as the bell comes out of its backswing, you're going to use the opposite leg again to drive yourself up. And then that same heel lifts again. Not intentionally, but as a result of the body shifting its weight. And that's one of the benefits you can use when you're using a single bell snatch, is shifting your weight and using the opposite leg as your strength against that unilateral weight. So it looks like this. I'm going to shift my weight to my opposite leg, and as I do so, this heel might lift. And then as I come up, this leg is pushing more than the same side leg, and again, as a result, this heel will lift. Now, some people will lift the ball of the foot on the backswing. So it might look like this here on the backswing. So they're using a little bit more of their hamstrings on that backswing to decelerate the weight, and then they come back to a full foot. So don't think of it as you need to move your feet and that correlates to making the body move a certain way. It's the opposite. The way the body moves is the way the feet are going to respond. Give it a try.